So we are on the train ride, and as you can see, there's the propane tanks, and it goes about 95 miles an hour at max.
No, Josh, look at the speed limit. It goes 120.
120, I was wrong.
120, dude.
We're gonna put this on YouTube.
Yay! Hello!
Are you excited to ride the train?
Do I look like it? Yes, I am!
Awesome!
This is the first time I rode it in 6 years. No, seriously.
Whoa.
In 6 years.
Wow. Paul, she looks braver than you are. You look scared.
I'm very scared. I'm like,
This is gonna be so awesome, guys. I can't wait to do this.
I think normal roller coasters are nothing compared to this.
Amen.
Terror.
Everyone knows how to say
Let's rock on, guys. Oh, look it. We're about to go.
Everyone knows how
Is the lighting better?
Kinda.
Yeah?
Yeah, dog.
So we're on a train ride right now. And it's really fast.
Woohoo! Look it. There's people watching us.
We're going uphill, and pretty soon it's gonna have a drop.
yeah! Woohoo! Josh, look at the, ask her how fast we're going.
Awesome!
We're almost going 10 miles an hour.
Oh my goodness!
Don't break the speed limit.
This was so worth the $1 I paid.
So you paid $3.
I didn't see
Well,
I
$3.
didn't see sarcasm in that.
Hi.
I'm scared, Josh.
Hold on to my hand. Make it all together. What if the train broke up right now? We would just be holding on. Arms would be like ripped off.
We've got screamers in the back.
You should throw rockets.
Guys, this is sweet. Look at this view. Look at that. That is awesome. Look at the beautiful view.
Look, Wisconsin. Full of all the Wisconsinites. Like Tyler. And that's Paul and Josh.
Yeah, he's Josh.
Guys, those people up there.
There's people.
Oh, and that's someone that, the guy in the black, you don't want to speak to him. He's really
You don't. He's really scared. He might be mentally disturbed. Ooh, it's a train. Oh, it was a bell. Look, guys, we're at the station. Woohoo!
Josh, you made it.
We survived.
Oh, survived.
We're going for a round 2. Awesome.
Where?
No, really, you have a bug on you.
Where?
On your back.
Careful.
I opened my eyes. It's only just a
Oh, don't go too fast, dude.
Paul, keep your hands inside. Oh, hardcore breaking the rules.
Dude, watch this. I'm gonna touch this tree. Ooh. Whoa!
See, I'm breaking the rule right now, inch by inch.
What?
I'm breaking the rule inch by inch.
Inch by inch. Oh,
Thumbs up if you feel all the emotion of us right now. Oh, Paul. He's doing his vanity photo shoot right now.
This is terrifying.
What, your face, dude? Oh.
You must be looking in a mirror. That's.
Dude, look at these babes up here.
Oh, nice.
I'm
Oh, cool.
Sam on.
into the station again.
Help on! Standing up to the concentration camp.
Not again. That was so awesome!